Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to Prof. Madya TS Dr. Nuraida binti Haji Ali. So we are here to presenting our proposal about car sale system. So my name is Ariesya binti OTHMAN. Matric number S59206.
Okay, my name is SITI Aisyah binti Muhammad SUBRI. My matric number S59832.
I am NURIRJAWATI binti JAILUDDIN, matric number 58306.
So our project is about to facilitate effective and efficient management of vehicle sales by converting the current manual method to a web-based system. The project to make a brand new web-based system can facilitate the company to improve user service and profits. Next is manage the inventory of new and used vehicle as well as customer booking and billing. Every detail about a car is recorded, including the manufacturer names, the data of purchase, the number of kilometers driven, in the price and the model. Next is every user, dealers and admin has an access to the details of each vehicle. This window-based program is created with a user-friendly automated system that makes it simple to get certain data. Next, the problem statement is while our COVID-19 hits the country, this company has suffered huge losses due to its inability to operate, and they unable to identify any potential customers. Their company also difficult to operate overseas. We can rentas negeri because cross border is not allowed. Next. So our objective and scope is to develop and design a car sale system from face-to-face method to online method due to COVID-19. Next is to analyze functional and non-functional requirements that need to be implemented in car sale system. And the final one is to implement the use of car system that can make it easier for user to browse goods and get information.
Okay, so I will present about the functional requirement for the customer. As soon as a customer access the system, the customer system shall display a login form along with the button to sign up or register. The car system also should provide the customer with the ability to filter the car list by car type, brand, body type, budget, year, transmission type, mil age, and color and store location. And if a customer wants to know the installment of a car per month, the customer system should provide the customer with the ability to fill the down payment and loan tenure in loan calculator section. The customer system also should provide the customer with ability to choose type of paying the booking fees. After completing the booking payment process, the customer system should provide the customer with the ability to fill in the appointment form such as name, IC number, phone, address, set date, time and choose either wants a bank loan or not. After a successful set appointment, the customer system shall display and save the invoice of payment and appointment form that have been filled by the customer for the check during meet up with the car dealer. For admin, as soon as admin access the system, the customer system shall display a login form along with the button to sign up or register. The customer system should also provide the admin with the ability to manage car information. Next, the customer system should provide the admin with the ability to manage dealer information. And the last one is the customer system should provide the admin with the ability to view customer information.
Okay, next, functional requirement for dealer. As soon as dealer accesses the system, the car sale system shall display a login form along with the button to sign up or register. Second, if a dealer wants to check the car specification, they can check through the system. The third, the system shall provide the dealer with the ability to send the report to the system. And the last one is the system also should provide the dealer the ability to accept or reject the customer's request for an appointment.
So this is our use case diagram. The customer, admin and the dealers must log into the system, and the customer can choose the car, check car specification, add to favorite car, book a car, and also can check the loan calculator for the down payment. The customer also need to make a payment either using online transfer or cash at kiosk. The customer also can set appointment with the dealer. And the last one is the customer can forward the feedback. For the admin can manage the automotive information, manage dealer and view the customer information. And the last one is for dealers. They can send their report, and the dealer also can accept or reject the appointment from the customer.
For class diagram, there are 6 class. The first one, login, can have one or many admins, customers, and dealers, but the admin user can and dealer can only provide one login detail. Customers and dealers can see zero or many car details, and car details can be seen by zero or many customers and dealers. Customers can see one loan detail for each car, and each loan detail can only be seen by one customer. Admin can add, delete, and update many customers. Dealers and cars and customers can be added, delete, and update by one or many admins. Next. Next, for the ERD diagram, we have 6 tables: admin table, customer, dealer, appointment, car, and loan calculator table. In the customer table, we have class ID for the primary key and all necessary details for customers. We have app no and car ID for the foreign key. In the dealer table, we have dealer ID for the primary key and all necessary details for dealers. We have app no and car ID for the foreign key. Next, in the appointment table, we have app no for the primary key and all necessary details for the appointment. We have car ID for the foreign key. In the admin table, we have an admin ID for the primary key. We have the username and password for the attribute. We have class ID, dealer ID, app no, and car ID for the foreign key. In the car table, we have car ID for the primary key and all necessary details for cars. And the last is in the loan calculator table, we have car ID for foreign keys and all necessary details for the loan calculator.
So this is our design for our system. So the left one is our login interface, while the right one is our sign up design, sign up interface. Then this is our home. When a user click one of the car, means if user choose one of this car, the car specification will appear. Then in car specification, we have the title, price per month, and the user also can click the loan calculator, while at the bottom we have some others details for the car. So next. So when a user click the loan calculator button, the user will see the estimate monthly payment for the car. The user can choose how many down payment to pay, and how long they want to pay for the car. Then when user click the button choose, if I'm not mistaken, it will directly to booking payment page, where there is 2 option. User can make payment, either cash payment at kiosk or online payment. Next. When user click online payment, it will show third party uh, third party application, for example Razorpay, FX or many others. And if a user want to payment at kiosk, it will provide barcode for the user and for the user it will provide barcode for user. Then when they want to pay at the kiosk, they will scan the barcode. Yes. Next. So this is the history page. In this history page, user can track their activity in buying the car. When they have paid their booking payment, they can see back their receipt by click on the invoice, or they can see their appointment form, or about information about the dealer. Then the next one is feedback page, where the user can give feedback to the admin. Yes, to the admin. Okay, next. So this is the appointment form. When user have done making their booking payment, it will redirect to this page, which is appointment form. They need to fill in their name, IC number, phone number, address, date, time to meet the dealer, and preferred location. Then user can choose either they want bank loan or pay cash. So they need to tick or not. Function of this one, the dealer, if the user wanted uh, to have a bank loan, the user, the dealer can bring all the statement regarding bank loan banking like that. Then you have submit and cancel button. Next, we have favorite page, which from the car detail page, if you remember that there is love button. So when user click the love button, it will the car will save in favorite page. Next. So this is how admin will look in the system. So they can update, add and delete about car details. Then at car, user can this is how it looks when admin add car and admin wanted to update the client information. Next. So this one about dealer. So admin also can manage dealer, where admin can add or update dealer. So this is how a dealer get information about appointment. When user wanted to have an appointment, then the dealer get the information about the location, name, IC number, phone number, address and appointment number. So it will show either wants bank loan or not. Next. So that's all from us. Thank you for your time, Prof.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank